Now, what I'm going to be introduced to today is a community of people that really want the best for what is around them in hopes of engagement and empowerment. The Umgeni railway station is home to the Umgeni steam train. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I may be more than a bit excited to go on my first train. I'm on my way, Mum! During the 2020 pandemic, 1,000 Hills Tourism was kind enough to make sure that this place would keep on going. So, join me and learn a little bit more about our awesome history with trains, and who knows, maybe you'll even get to ride one. So I've just arrived at Umgeni Railway and I'm just blown away by seeing all these trains in front of me, and I'm going to meet with Adrian and he's going to chat me through a little bit of the history about this place. Come on, let's go take a look.
It's come through, Victoria.
Wow, okay, this is not what I was expecting.
In those days, they used to come up the valley
On that,
on that bridge
No.
called the Umgeni Viaduct.
I would never in a million years cross this.
You would have had to if you wanted to go on the train. The train used to arrive from Durban at the bridge, and if the wind was too strong coming up the valley, you would be asked if you'd like to get off and walk across the bridge.
Walk.
And the train right across the top of the bridge, and the train would then follow you and it would pick you up at the other side of the bridge.
So Adrian, I want to say a very big thank you, and I can't wait to come again.
It's a pleasure, Victoria. Please do come again. Come on the Umgeni Steam Railway train, which starts from Kloof Station and comes up to Umgeni, where we have a market.
Wonderful.
A pleasure showing you around.
Thank you. I've really had the most incredible morning chatting to Adrian, and as you can see, seeing all these old trains, and what's really awesome is that they're getting repaired and will be operational. So if you can come here, I suggest that you do.